Hey everybody, my name is Josh with Dara Holsters, and today I'm going to be going over my kit that I use and some of my storage solutions that I also use for all my stuff. Next up, helmet and night vision. So this helmet is a ballistic helmet. It's a HHV, the hardhead veterans helmet. There are more expensive, nicer helmets out there, lighter helmets. At the time, this is what I could afford, so this is what I got. I basically needed something to hold my night vision. I didn't want to do one of the little cap type things. I wanted an actual helmet. I had Ear Pro on here for a little while. Didn't like how it was set up, so I took those off. Nothing special about the helmet itself. Night vision, standard PVS 14. I do have the Notoros, I believe it's pronounced, the Rhino Type Mount. It's not the Wilcox mount. It's a little less expensive. Again, at the time I was buying all these things, I spent a lot of the money on this, so I saved a lot of money on the helmet and other things, so I can spend a little bit more on the night vision. It's not dual tubes or anything, but it works pretty well for me. And then I also have the NoiseFighters, the AX4 Pro, the articulating mount for my PVS 14. Instead of just the standard mount, it'll articulate up. I can swivel it. I like the way that works. I also have a Streamlight Helmet Light. This does IR, white light, red, green, and blue, and there's also an IR strobe. Just Velcros right to the side of the helmet. That's it for my helmet setup.